everyone, for our cooking vlog today, we are going to cook shrimp boil. I am going to introduce the ingredients that we are going to use for our shrimp boil. So let's get started. We need boiling water. Now we're going to put the corn. Then later, after 15 minutes, we're going to put the sausage and the shrimp. We have to close it and then we will bring it into a boil. Okay guys, then we're going to put some of lemon also. And now we are going to cook the sauce that we are going to use for the shrimp boil. We have to melt the butter first before we are going to put the condiments. Let's mix it thoroughly. Okay guys, so 15 minutes is over. Check natin yung corn and potato. Naluto na yung corn, then check natin yung potato. Even yung potato, malapit na rin maluto. So now, let's put the sausage. Para hindi siya ma-overcook, ipapanghuli niyo yung sausage, guys. 3 to 5 minutes lang yung sausage. Cover ko. Then, panghuli yung shrimp. Then, I'll close. 3 minutes. So, guys, we're done with our sauce. So, we're going to dip later the shrimp here. Okay, guys. So, we're done. Ngayon, ito-toast naman natin siya sa butter. So, 3 minutes lang yung shrimp. Huwag niyo siya i-overcook. Lalagyan natin siya ng Cajun. I-shake natin siya. Shrimp boil. Here's our shrimp boil. So, maglalagay pa ulit ako ng onting Cajun. Ito yung sauce na gagamitin natin.
Alright guys, so finally, the masterpiece has been finished. So from that ingredient we saw early on, now this is a beauty that came out of it. I'm gonna try tasting how it tastes. Okay, so I'm gonna peel one of the shrimp and see how this whole thing will turn out. Heaven. It tastes like heaven. Bye! Thank you, Chef Jinky!